Dr. Hancock drew on his multidisciplinary background, many years of clinical experience, and extensive studies to develop effective treatment procedures. He was able to create a protocol of special cranial treatment procedures that effectively release the cranial torsion and soft tissue holding elements. And this restores mobility and alignment. The craniostructural integration protocol developed by Dr. Hancock allows the cranial bones to move more freely and reduces tension in important muscles of the neck. The balance mechanisms of the cranium are also able to work more effectively. So improvements in muscle function, posture, and balance are maintained as long-term corrections. Dr. Hancock has been using and teaching these breakthrough cranial techniques for almost 30 years. In this short video, he demonstrates neuromusculoskeletal imbalances, his craniostructural integration approach that releases the chronic right torsion and left lateral strain, and some of the changes in muscle function that are immediately evident.